Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys how I make this amazing Creole cornbread. It is loaded and it's absolutely delicious. If y'all want to see it, you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. Also give this video a big fat thumbs up if you enjoy it. Without further ado, let's jump right into the recipe. Alright guys, before I begin, all the measurement will be in the description box for you guys. I am using chopped jalapeno, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, ground black pepper. Also, I'm using some green onions, Creole seasoning, baking soda, vegetable oil. Also, we have some sugar to balance the cayenne pepper and the jalapenos. And here we have 2 eggs. And also we have some melted butter. We also have some cream style corn. And we have some smoked sausage, y'all. This is about to be so good. I cannot wait. Okay, we also have some bell peppers, red and yellow. You can use green ones as well. I have some whole milk. Also, we have cheddar cheese, cooked rice with some cornmeal, and as well as some chopped onions. Okay, shall we begin? Let's get started. First thing I'm going to be doing is adding my cornmeal in this large bowl. Then I am going to add the cooked rice. Okay, I just cooked this literally. And then I am going to be adding in my onions, my bell peppers, now I'm adding the green onions with the jalapeno. This is literally half a regular size jalapeno, y'all. It was spicy. Okay, now I'm adding my smoked sausages. Now you can saute these if you want, but let me tell you, I was not about to waste time. Okay, so now I'm adding the Creole seasoning with the baking soda and the other seasoning mix. Now we're going to crack 2 eggs. Just crack it in a separate bowl and give it a nice whisk. And now you're going to pour that in just like so. Now I'm going to be adding my oil. I'm using vegetable oil. You can use canola oil if you want. Now I'm adding the butter. You know, butter makes cornbread so nice and moist. You gotta have that butter, okay? Now I'm going to be adding in the cream of corn, and then we're going to be adding in our cheese. I am using about 8 ounces of cheese. All the measurement will be below, so don't worry. Next, we're going to be adding in the milk. Now I'm adding the sugar, y'all. Gotta have a little bit of sugar in there. Okay, now we're going to give it a quick mix. Not really, gotta really mix it, so it's not going to be quick, because you want the baking soda to be really mixed in there, and so you can have a nice fluffy-ish Creole cornbread. Okay, I love me some cornbread. Now if you know me, you know this is my thing. Once I am done stirring it together, everything is well combined, I am going to butter my skillet and then pour that in, honey. Just pour it in. Look at all those colors, the flavors that's going to be in this dish, y'all. Just wait on it, okay? Just wait. Make sure it's nice and even. Now we're going to bake it. For the baking, I am going to bake it on 350 for about 50 minutes, okay? 50 minutes. Once it's done, y'all, this is what you have. And you have yourself a very nice, delicious looking cornbread. Look how golden brown this thing look, y'all. And the top was nice and crispy. Even the bottom, y'all, it was nice and crispy. Just how I like it. Okay? And don't forget to check to see if it's cooked through. Just use a toothpick. If it comes out clean, that means it's cooked through. And basically, this is it. Y'all have to try this, okay? Try it because it is so good, y'all. It's so delicious. You're going to enjoy this one. Packed, full with flavor. I hope you guys try this out, y'all. Creole cornbread. Thank me later. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it for me, guys. Please, please, please. And also don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I will see you all on the next recipe. Bye.